Good morning, children. Today we are going to see sets, relations, and function. In theater seats and all, you may notice the number on the seats, and online bookings and all. They will allocate the seat number like J15, A12, A3, B12, like the numbers. They are called set of ordered pair. How we denote? See, children. Now we see what is ordered pair. Ordered pairs. In theatre seats and all, there is a number A13, J12, F16, like the numbers in the seats. What it denotes? A, J, F denotes the rows, and 13, 12, 16 denotes the seat numbers. Similarly, how we denoted in ordered pair? A, 13, and J, 12, and F, 16. And this denotation is called ordered pair. It should be in the form of x, y. Similarly, suppose in a Cartesian plane, there is a number here. We are plotting it as 2, 3, where it is x, y now, and there where they are called ordered pair. 2, 3 are called ordered pair. Next we see Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? Suppose we considering two sets like vegetable and fruits. Here first one carrot and brinjal, and next lady's finger. Here what are the fruits we are considering? Apple, orange, grapes, strawberry. Consider the vegetable as set A and fruits as set B. Here carrot as C and brinjal as B, lady's finger as L, apple as A and denote orange as O, and grapes as G, and strawberry as S. There are two sets, no? The two sets, set A have the elements C, B and L. Set B containing the element A, O, G, S. What is the Cartesian product of these two elements? That is A cross B. Consider a set A, C, B, L, and set B, A, O, G, S. Suppose we want to take any one fruit and any one vegetable, means what is a possible order? C to A, carrot or apple, carrot or orange, carrot and grape, carrot and strawberry. Or another chance, what it is? Brinjal to apple, brinjal orange, brinjal grape, brinjal strawberry. Or lady's finger apple, lady's finger orange, lady's finger grape, lady's finger strawberry. Similarly, we have to have the A cross B. So C, A, C, A, C, O, C, G, and C, S. Carrot, apple, carrot orange, carrot grape, carrot strawberry. Next, brinjal apple, brinjal orange, brinjal grape, brinjal strawberry. Next, lady's finger apple, lady's finger orange, lady's finger grape, lady's finger strawberry. They are the possible set of ordered pairs. They are called ordered pair. This is called Cartesian product of set A and B. Now we go to definition of Cartesian product. If A and B are two non-empty set, it should be non-empty set. Then the set of all ordered pairs A, B, it should be in the form of A, B, such that where A should be belongs to A and B should belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B, and it's denoted as A cross B. Already we see that A cross B. So A cross B is equal to A comma B such that A should be belongs to set A and B should be belongs to set B. It should be in the form of A comma B. It is called ordered pair. Is it clear, children? Next, we see some important notes. First one, A cross B means that we know that already A comma B, where A should belongs to A and B should belongs to B. This is the rule. If suppose it is reversed, B cross A, how it will be? So the order will be changed as B comma A, where B belongs to B in the first and A belongs to A in the second. Next part, if suppose A is equal to B, what is happening? No. Then A comma B is equal to B comma A. A comma B, B comma A, both same. Next, Cartesian product as referred as cross product. You can say this as cross product also. And next, we see illustration 2 now. Consider a set A, elements containing 1, 2, 3, and a set B, which element containing A and B. And what is A cross B here? 1, consider the set 1, 2, 3. This is A, and set B, A and B. First one, 1 to A, 1 to B, 1 comma A and 1 comma B. Next, 2 to A, 2 to B, 2 comma B and 2 to A, 2 comma A and 2 comma B. Next, 3 to A, 3 to B. So 3 comma A and 3 comma B. This is A cross B. Suppose that we want to do B cross A. Means that A comma B in the first cross, 1, 2, 3 in the next. How we see? A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3, B comma 1, B comma 2 and B comma 3. They are called possible set of order. All the possible set of order is called Cartesian product of A cross B or B cross A. Children, next we see example 1.1. Example 1.1 question. They have given set A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and set B is equal to 2, 3. Where set A and this is set B, 1, 3, 5, 2 and 3. So they are asking us to find A cross B. How to find? First 1, 3, 5 cross 2, 3. See, first possible order 1, 2 and 1, 3. 1, 2 and 1, 3. Next possible order 3, 2 and 3, 3. 3, 2 and 3, 3. Next possible order 5, 2 and 5, 3. 5, 2 and 5, 3. This is A cross B. Similarly, we can find B cross A also. First write B, 2, 3. Cross next to A, 1, 3, 5. And here possible orders. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. And 3, 1, 3, 3 and 3, 5. That's it, children. A number of elements. Number of elements here 2. Number of elements here. Number of elements here 3 and number of elements here 2. 3 2s are 6. So total number of elements here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements. Similarly, we can find. Now see that the elements we got. Okay. In example 1.1, this is first subdivision. We have to find A cross B and B cross A. We found. And next is subdivision. Is A cross B is equal to B cross A? If not, why? And they are asking, from this page, A cross B is differ from B cross A. And consider it as equation, consider it as 1 and consider it as 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. We told the reason. We want to tell the reason. If not, why? Why means 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. This is the reason. Enough. And next, third subdivision. What they asked, we see. Third subdivision is nothing but show that n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A is equal to n of A into n of B. First we see n of A cross B. We know that already n of A cross B have 6 elements. N of B cross A also have 6 elements. We must know n of A into n of B. We know already n of A have 3 elements, n of B has 2 elements. So 3 into 2, totally 6, hence proved.